Can you tell us about hairy bacon? Like, if you just wanted to completely neglect everything we're telling you.
Right. So it's done.
It's a thing.
Yeah, right. That's that part where any universal pronouncement I make is always undermined.
That's
it
what
always has an exception.
In some part of the world.
Someone has been doing it for centuries.
Yeah.
So normal for me. But when I went to London to speak at the Savory Institute conference, restoring grasslands, I went into a butcher shop and there was an Irish and a British butcher in there. Tiny little place, like barely the size of our shop here, like 300 square feet. And they were so awesome. They gave me an apron. It was like a dream come true to go visit a small butcher shop with fresh meat in the great British tradition of British butchery. But the Irish guy was telling me about a treat that he remembers as a kid growing up in Ireland that he sorely missed and does not see anymore. And it was actually a treat. It was a special occasion thing that they would go and get a thing called hair bacon. And I was like, he can't mean what he's saying. Wait, what?
Like
hair bacon? No, hair bacon. Exactly what you think.
Like hair,
bacon with hair on it. And that's it.
Hair's not some symbol for something else.
No, right. Yeah. So, that's cool.
That's crazy.
Probably just washed, a clean pig, clean bedding, washed, and then forget the scalding, scraping, torching, and the skinning, and just cure it with that stuff on there. And you can even see, like I've seen in Italian butcher shops, hairy prosciutto legs from wild boar. Just leave it on there.
That's right.
You put enough salt on anything.
Yeah.
And it'll be all right. But
maybe it has that sweetness you're talking about.
Yeah. Something.
Yeah.
He was really nostalgic about it.
Yeah.
And it was tasty, and he really liked it. It was a special treat.
That's interesting, too, because normally for us Westerners, you'd think, you have to go to, some, like, country that's not Western, let's say, to get something really off the wall crazy.
Yeah.
Like, places like Andrew Zimmern goes, or some of the Food Network personalities. Yes. Yeah. But there you go, right in Ireland. Yeah. Like the country that basically saved Western civilization in a lot of ways. They had hair bacon. Like, I can't even imagine putting that in my mouth right now. Whereas some of the more exotic foods I have already put in my mouth, and I can imagine trying it, but hair bacon, I can't imagine it.
Yeah.
So, but maybe someday we'll have the opportunity. If we have any of you meatsmiths out there willing to try it.
Yeah. Cure some hair bacon.
Give some to us if you can, or invite us over and we'll try it.
Yeah.